What is up, terrific trombone players? This is part 2 in a 2-part series about band daily habits, a free warm-up that I made just for you. The Smart Music Assessment tool and the free PDFs are in the description below. As always, if this is helpful and great for you, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. So, a couple trombone specific things that happen in this one. These first 3 notes are actually going to be called lip slurs. And we're going to play them all in 6th position. So when you saw me play, I played ba, but normally we play that F as first. We're going to change that for this exercise and practice moving between the note partials on the same position using just our lips. So a good way to practice that at first is just to practice loosening and tightening your lip tension as you buzz. So now, that's really a big jump, and some of you may not be very good at doing it on the lips. That's okay. Try it like real close to the mouthpiece. Try just buzzing it on the mouthpiece. There's a lot of ways to go about it. But in the end, you want yours to sound like there's no change with the tongue. It's a really hard skill. I've been doing this my whole life, and so I should be a little better than you at it. But at first, this is going to be a tough challenge. Take your time with it. Don't get frustrated. I will also say that when you play measure 25 and 26, it is ba with no articulation except for on the first F. And all of those 5 notes are going to be played in 6th position. For the rest of this, you'll just be playing everything in normal position, so this F will go back to first. These will all be slurred. You heard me articulate ever so slightly on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th notes of each of these passages, and that is correct. We don't want any glissandos, which is where you do the we don't want to hear any of that in this exercise, so we do need to use our tongue to lightly articulate each of these note changes. That is our role as trombone players. So that about does it. If this helped, let me know in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys. Also, keep up the great work. You guys are doing terrific. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.